Hello everyone, I am M. Mahip, faculty for IAS Mathematics. We are pleased to announce our test series for Mathematics Optional 2021. There are 12 sectional tests and 2 full-length tests. Many students have taken our test in the past and have done immensely well. On the demands of many students, we have developed a scientific approach of sectional test which will augment and re-strengthen your preparation. Sectional test is the best way to pinpoint the gray areas in a particular topic so that the course correction can be done. This test series attempts to bolster your conceptual clarity on every segment, put emphasis on well-rounded holistic approach. Questions are set with due diligence scientifically at par with UPSC. We have given our heart and soul in designing the test. We encourage you to write the test. We will provide you written feedbacks on your email, personal one-on-one discussion, answer verification techniques, and multiple perspectives to solve a problem. Those who have taken our test are testimony to the fact that not only we corrected the papers on time, but also gave them pulse of wisdom and nuances to tackle any question come what may. Many students have already taken the test last year and we are expecting great results. I will discuss the syllabus and how to go about preparation for the fresher on certain topics. So even if you just prepare from our Aryabhatta Ashram sheet on the topics posted on our Telegram channel, we vouch that after that nothing is left to be done from anywhere else. Succinct, accurate and pinpointed approach is our mandate. If you follow our policy of dividing the topics to the minutest level and then conquer, you will be at a comfort level with any topic without the so-called prejudice and rumors in market about say topic X is easy while topic Y is not. For those joining the test, additional segregated questions will be provided for their benefit. Paper will be well balanced. Easy to moderate level of paper will be set so that even a fresher can prepare and take the test. And this test is also for new students because this will provide them ample time and it will also help them to overcome any shortcoming or lacking in their preparation before the prelims because it's in the June. So you have ample time, around 5 months to cover the syllabus. So this will be a checkpoint whether the subtopics of syllabus is covered or not. It is good that if you are prepared well before prelims and if you have written tests, that will give you an immense boost and confidence to appear in the mains examination. So this is the schedule before us, and OD is the topic that we start with on 31st of January. And after that we have vector analysis, which is also one of the easy topic to begin with, and after that calculus is on your 14th February. Linear algebra is on 21st of February. After that we have analytic geometry on 28th February, and dynamic and static is on 7th March. So this ends up whole paper 1, and this is the best way to pilot your preparation. Then we begin with paper 2, starting with algebra on 14th of March. After that you take the test on real analysis on 21st of March, and the 9th test, that is on complex and LPP, which are both short topics, is on 28th of March. After that we enter into the section B of paper 2, that is with partial differential equation, that is on 4th of April. After that numerical analysis and computer programming is on your 11th April, and the last topic, that is your mechanics and fluid dynamics, that is on your 18th April. After that we will be conducting 2 full-length tests on paper 1 and paper 2. So this will completely bridge the gaps whatever you are having. And now I am going to tell the highlights of this test series. Again, test fee is your 10,999 rupees, and we will be sending you answer booklet with question paper digitally. And upon the completion of the test, all you need to do is just scan the answer sheet and upload it as PDF. Copy evaluation within a week with proper feedback. This is one of the key features, because we just try to put spirit in the questions, that why these questions and what are the answers, rather than mechanically solving questions, putting formula and methods of various techniques. And there will be one-on-one discussion with the answer improvement. So this is more of a holistic approach to cover your whole mathematics optional syllabus. And for registration, you can WhatsApp on this 8742913119, or you can register below the mentioned link. And for any more information, you can call on this mobile number, that is 7827097791. Now, just for the freshers and beginners who have always found it difficult to go about a topic, I'll just illustrate with one simple syllabus of ordinary differential equation. And for other portions also, we have the syllabus. You can find it in the description box. So this is your syllabus of ordinary differential equation. Okay, so this is the first test. So it's very much outlined. So one need to remember syllabus in totality. That will always help you to see and find answers to the questions with the help of previous year questions and the test. This will be a checkpoint whether you know all of the topic very well or not. So I just give an illustration with this formation of ordinary differential equation or differential equation. So here they will be asking you questions on the curves, that is of parabola, circle, ellipse and hyperbola. First question that comes in the section B part. Then second question is essentially your integrating factor. So all those formulas that we have to apply, and equation of first order and first degree, that is variable, separable, reduction and exact form, so on and so forth. So this is the main question they will ask in this area. Then you have orthogonal trajectory. They will be asking you question on Cartesian coordinate and polar coordinate. So all of these are formulas very well known to you. So area where many students find difficulty is your Clauret's equation and singular solutions, equations of first order but not of first degree. So here I will be taking up some of the questions like this. If this kind of appears, so what will be the substitution? Again, just put it into 0. So if you just put this as dy by dx plus 1 is equal to 0, so y plus x is one of your substitution. So this is what we are reverse doing. So we have to find the primitive, so we just integrate it. Similarly over here, this is x dy by dx plus y is equal to 0, we will put into. So this is x dy plus y dx is equal to 0. So we have certain techniques. This is your perfect differential. So this can be your x y is equal to u is 1, x plus y is equal to v is 1. So these are the things, so substitutions, and that will hold you in good stead. So we know the techniques and we can find you. This is just an illustration and demonstration to show you that how things can be done differently for answer verifications. We have lot of other techniques in each and every topic. This is one of them I tried to give you on this note. And then after that we have your second order higher differential equation with constant coefficient. They are complementary function, particular integral and general solution. Again, we will be having the same thing on the second order linear differential equation with variable coefficient. All we need to do just change the variable coefficients to the constant, and there are various techniques, that is normal form, or changing the independent variable form, or the UB method. There's a standard protocol that is being followed. Then Euler-Cauchy equation is again very easy to identify, and this again emanates from the second order linear differential equation with the independent with the normal derivatives, because that's where we get substitutions from. Then variation of parameters is a part of the syllabus, and questions are often asked. So this is how we just finish the ordinary differential equation. But last not the least, we have Laplace equation, Laplace transform. So in Laplace transform, essentially they are asking you Laplace transform of some basic sinusoidal functions or sometimes heaviside functions, and their properties with respect to time differentiation, so on and so forth. And lastly, it is the Laplace transform of elementary function. And please be cautious not to read unnecessary things like Bessel functions and special functions. These are not part of the syllabus, and neither they will be asked. And this is your application of initial value problem. Again, over here, second order categorical mention, so constant coefficients. So these are the areas of the ordinary differential equation. So this we should keep in mind while taking any test. Coupled with this, you can take the help of our tutorial sheets, which is on our Telegram channel, and that will give you a glimpse of how actually the preparation has to be done. And we can similarly you can do for other areas also, like second test is on vector calculus or vector analysis, as they write in the syllabus. So this is very much articulated. Many students find difficulty in this area, something called as Gauss and Stokes theorem, especially, or Serret-Frenet's formula. There are different manifestations and manifold that often stumps many a candidate, but most of the questions are repeated. So this is how you need to go about your preparation, checking at each and every point, making it highly robust, coupled with previous year questions and tests which are very much relevant. That relevancy is the key, because doing tough and unnecessary questions will not be of any use, because this is a competitive examination. The more you know of this paper, that is better for you. So this is primarily done to give a high standard test series, which is sufficient enough. Those who are doing self-study, those who have well studied, or even if your strategy has been not on par with doing it as if you are preparing mathematics in haphazard manner, this is not going to help any matters in any regard, because until unless you know each and everything and its application, because all of these things, if I want to break it down, this mathematics optional, I think three elementary things are critical. One is your calculus. If you know the understanding of calculus very well, this will help you out. Again, that is the geometry or analytic geometry, what they call 2D and 3D, whatever. And the third one that I would say is, again, this vector calculus emanates from here itself, the same thing on what we are doing over here. So if you do these things, and your differential equations, both being partial and ordinary differential equation, so these are again a segments of this, and then you will be able to really enjoy thoroughly the topics of fluid dynamics and mechanics. This will give you an extra edge if you are prepared. Again, you can see the questions which has been asked. Again, for this year, I have released 100 questions, and I am damn sure that all of them are going to be from that, because that is done with great due diligence and after a lot of research work. So this is our whole idea, is to provide a very good test, and those who have taken the test, they have given me in personal a very good feedback. So that has really motivated me to reach out to the larger section, and I would urge you to like and share, and not to forget to subscribe the channel for the latest update, because in the future we will be coming with more and more such thing, so as to make it a leveler for each and every one. So this is our whole idea of conducting the test series. I hope everybody will like my idea of conducting tests in such a scientific and well organized manner. And the thing is that if you join our program, why you should be joining, because we are very much transparent in our things, what we say we deliver, and we do not follow any market propagandas or something like that. So you can try our test papers and test series, and if you have any problem with regard to anything as regards guidance, what to read, what not to read, and a lot of plethora of materials in market is available. We believe in simplicity, and that is the ultimate sophistication. That is the more simplified you are in mathematics, because mathematics is all about accuracy, and that will only come from the pinpointed study. So with this, I would like to end this session on this announcement, and in this year I think this may be a pivotal for us as well as for the candidates who have been slogging years after year, and still due to the lack of proper guidance, well structured articulation of your subjects, they are in limbo. Because I have interacted with many students, they are bright students, they work very hard, but they do not follow this organizational structure of pattern, because that's what is the hierarchy system, that how you need to ace the pyramid. So this is all about it, and I would once again urge you to subscribe and spread this notifications to as many needy people who are really struggling and not able to do justice to their talent and potential. With this, thank you everyone.